Think of the website also as one of your first employees. And this employee, you pay them about $1 a day. That's it. And this employee has one job. That is to convert people who visit your website into scheduled clients. And this employee works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at $1 a day. That's about all you should pay this employee. If you're paying more than $1 a day, you are paying this employee too much. You should go to Internachi. We have an official vendor for website designs, and you'll find that it's about $1 a day. And your website should be converting website visitors into clients. And you should have a system in place where you can actually measure the work performance of that employee. So you should have a dashboard for your employee to tell you, hey, this is how many people visited the website. This is how many people I converted into a scheduled client. Do I still keep my job? Right? And you'd be like, yeah, here's another $1. See you tomorrow. Okay. That's what that employee should, you have to think of that. You're leveraging that person, that employee, to do that work for you because you don't want to do it yourself. You want to go to sleep. That employee is working all the time doing that. And the next day you wake up, or maybe it's one day a week. You pick one day a week, Sunday morning, and you see how your employee is performing. And that's called website analytics. You get to see if the work performance of that employee is good enough. Mm-hmm. And if it isn't good enough, then you're wasting money. You need to fire that employee and hire a new one. Mm-hmm. And the best advice I would say for a new home inspector is to go to Internachi's official vendor for website designs, because they will design a website that's affordable, that works 24/7, and you can measure whether that employee is doing their job at about $1 a day. It's a really good service. Mm-hmm. Yeah.